Come here.
It seems that you have the most presents.
Yeah, well, you're almost misbehaving. You still got the most presents somehow.
The most presents now. Maybe because Elf doesn't understand me.
He doesn't understand. I think he understands, but he loves you.
That's a walking spider.
What? You got a
I
spider?
got this
Another.
walking-
What?
I got this spidey.
Yes, you got another spider. We're gonna have like 1,000 spiders here in the house.
It's actually already. See
Oh my goodness, I'm scared.
Mommy.
He's gonna run around?
No. It's just some remote control.
So he's gonna be running around. Oh my
And
goodness.
zip tied.
It's okay.
And
Ricky,
Let's put it away for now.
Rick,
Put it back in the box. We're gonna do the unboxing later.
we can do the unboxing
Are you?
later,
Do you
right?
like it? Do you like it?
Full instructions and just put it back and you can do unboxing later, okay?
Do you like it?
This is, yeah.
Super cool. We have like 1,000 spiders in the house now.
Yeah, now we have a spirit Halloween spiders and this tarantula.
Tarantula. Okay, open it up.
See there? Unboxing tarantula.
Tarantula. 6 plus. Has a remote control.
Yeah. Let's look at the
Let's see.
zip tie.
Infrared
Let me close it.
control. Wonderful. Light up LED lights.
Ours is blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Wow.
Yes.
Look, it says looks and crawls like a real spider. Wonderful. That's what I wanted. Interesting. Oh my goodness, that's scary. Ah, all legs move. All 8 legs move. Eyes light up. Easy to control.
Look what I found.
What is that?
real
Wonderful. That's the
spider.
description of the real spider. Okay.
Swap the toy
My
out.
goodness. Is that real size spider? Where's it upside down?
My zip tie's on the controller.
No, why it's not open?
Hi.
It's not open?
I got it. So we need batteries.
It has no batteries? Oh, disgusting. So disgusting. Ew, 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 ew.
Take the batteries from me,
What?
take the batteries from me, okay?
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, wonderful.
I pressed the wrong button. Don't worry. Be happy.
You're right. That's horrible. That's not funny. Get it away from me. No, Drake, stop it. I'm gonna put it in the trash then.
Yes. Please, I offer. What happened to the controller? My boxes.
Okay, help it. Yeah, remove the box from here.
It's going that way. No, let's go. No. Oh, That's kicking it.
This is horrible.
No! I can see his red eyes.
This is horrible.
No!
Wonderful.
You're scared of it?
Yes, I'm scared of it.
Why? I offer it for Christmas.
You got it for Christmas.
Whoa! No! Got stuck.
Disgusting everywhere. Ah! So it's running in circles or? No, 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 no!
I'm joking.
I don't think we need this gift, Drake.
What?
I don't think we need this toy.
I just.
This is very scary. Goodness, this is so scary. Oh my goodness. You have to get it out. Is it reverse or no?
It doesn't have a reverse.
Are you sure?
Look.
It doesn't go straight? It runs in circles? Why is it running in circles?